Hello guys, today we do second part डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। अब रूल नंबर 11 है बेटा। 10 तक तो पहले वाले उसमें हो गए थे हमारे पार्ट में। देयर इज नो चेंज इन द पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस इन द फॉलोइंग केसेज। फर्स्ट ए है बेटा, व्हेन ए हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट इज स्टेटेड इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच। हिस्टोरिकल हो कोई बात तो The teacher said India became independent on the 15 August 1947. The teacher said that India became independent on 15 August 1947. B है बेटा, when there is a condition, if verb वाला हो बेटा, condition हो in the reported speech. The Deputy Commissioner said if you were present at the site of the theft you should report the matter of the police. The deputy commissioner told me that if I were present at the site of the theft I should report the matter of the police. अब सी वाला है बेटा, when two events are going on simultaneously in the reported speech. My mother said to me when I was cooking, you were sleeping. My mother told me that when she was cooking, I was sleeping. 12 है बेटा, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस देर आर जनरली ऑफ टू टाइप्स। अब इंटेरोगेटिव होते हैं वो दो तरह के दिए बेटा। क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग विद हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल येस और नो में उसका आंसर होता है बेटा क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग विद द क्वेश्चन words, therefore beginning with what, when, why, who, where, etc. मतलब WH family वाले। In interrogative sentences the reporting word should be changed into ask, inquire or wonder. The word order in the question should be changed to the subject should be used before the verb. The question mark should be replaced by a full stop. Change shall into should, would, remove do, does and change did into had. अब in yes or no questions helping verb वाले use conjunction if and whether in indirect speech. The teacher said to Garvit, do you play football? The teacher asked Garvit. अब बेटा इफ़ या वेदर में से कोई भी आप एक यूज करो। ही प्लेड फुटबॉल। माई मदर सेड टू मी आर यू गोइंग टू दिल्ली? माई मदर इंक्वायर्ड और आस्क्ड, बोथ आर राइट। एनीवन इज यूज्ड इफ आई वॉज गोइंग टू दिल्ली। अब इन क्वेश्चंस बिगिनिंग विद क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स नो कंजक्शन इज यूज्ड। मतलब WH फैमिली वाले में हम कोई भी कंजक्शन का यूज नहीं करेंगे। इन फैक्ट दीज क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स देमसेल्फ एक्ट एज कंजक्शंस इन द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। जो वर्ड होगा ना बेटा जैसे WH फैमिली का कोई भी, वो ये कंजक्शन का काम करेगा। द पुलिस ऑफिसर सेड वाई डिड यू स्टील द गोल्डन बोट? द पुलिस ऑफिसर इंक्वायर्ड वाई ही हैड स्टोलन द गोल्डन boat. My brother said to me, what are you writing these days? My brother asked me what I was writing these days. अब नेक्स्ट बेटा इन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस होता है कमांड्स, रिक्वेस्ट एंड सजेशंस। सेंटेंसेस फॉलो द फॉलोइंग रूल्स। अब रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब से शुड बी चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू the intention of the reported speech into ask, beg, command, order, remind, tell, urge and warn. Use object infinitive immediately after the reporting verb in the indirect speech. While using let, remember that if let denotes suggestion, changes the use should plus verb instead of infinitive. If let denotes permission, then change the reporting verb into asked, ordered or told, and used to let or might be allowed to plus be in the reported speech. Examples: the boss said to his employee, "Get out of my company." The boss ordered his employee to get out of his company. Ravi said to the teacher, "Please forgive me." Ravi requested the teacher to forgive him. The principal said to the naughty boys, "Behave properly." The principal advised the naughty boys to behave properly. The father said to his daughter, "You work hard." The father advised his daughter to work hard. Sachit said, "Let us go out to watch a movie." Sachit proposed or suggested that they should go out to watch a movie. Jayant said to his parents, "Let me go on the tour, please." Jayant requested his parents that he might be allowed to go on the tour, or Jayant requested his parents to let him go on the tour. Both are right, beta. In the case the exclamatory sentences, अब ये पहले था imperative का बेटा, अब exclamatory का आ गया. Follow the following rules. A reporting verb should be changed according to the intention of the reported speech into bless, curse, exclaim, greet, praise, praise, wish, etc. अब exclamatory में बेटा हम इन वर्ड्स का यूज करेंगे. यूज कंजक्शन दैट इन द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. एग्जाम्पल: द कमांडर सेड, "ब्रेवो, वी हैव won the battle." अब द कमांडर exclaimed with joy that they had won the battle. Rajkumar said, "Alas, I have lost everything." Rajkumar exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost everything. Subhani said, "What a huge building." Subhani exclaimed with surprise that it was a huge building. बेटा ये थी आपकी डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच की पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 हो गए हैं आपके कंप्लीट. अब आपको कैसे लगे इनको कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना और अपने साथियों के साथ भी शेयर ज़रूर करना इसको.